My bees are doing this interesting back and forth action on the beehive. It's like a dance. And it's called washboarding for some reason. Looks like they're cleaning the hive. But I can't find anybody who will say exactly what it is they're doing. They're in formation of some kind. Individually, they look like they're scrubbing the floor. And no scientist that I've been able to read about or hear from can explain why they do this, because they're not necessarily adding anything or subtracting anything. They just do this when they hang out.